Hi there, I'm Mark with TundraHeadquarters.com, and today we're going to install the BedRug. If you're like me, you actually use your truck. This is what mine looks like. You can see this bed has got plenty of use. And now I want to cover it up. I have a couple of different choices. I can do a drop-in plastic liner, I can do a spray-in liner, or I can do a BedRug, which is a great product for covering up all the scratches, making it comfortable to sit on, and keeping stuff from sliding all over the place. So let's get started with the installation and follow along. Thanks. So this is the box that the BedRug comes in, and it includes this instruction sheet, some adhesive cleaner to prep the surface, and also these Velcro strips to attach the BedRug to the bed. Of course, it comes with the two major parts. This part right here, which goes all the way around the outside, and then this part right here, which goes inside and covers the thing, the tailgate. So the first thing that we have to do according to the instructions is attach these two pieces together. I'll get that done and I'll come right back.